In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can create your own talking avatar on canva.com. So once you are on your own page, then the next thing for you to do is you can use any of these. For instance, I would like to use Instagram Square. Once you click social media, you will see all these. So I would like to choose this Instagram post Square. Once you are here, the next thing for you to do is to come to the left side of your screen, then look for apps, these apps, click apps. Then in the search bar of apps, search DID. Search DID in the left side. Search DID, this is it, DID, like did. Then scroll down. This is what we are looking for, DID AI presenters. DID AI presenters, what we are looking for. You click it. Once you click it, you will see AI presenter at a click of a button. Click open. I'm currently using a free version, and this is mainly a pro version. So I'm just using the free version because I know that majority of the people use free version so that they will see the exact way to be displayed on their computer screen on canva.com. So now the IDEA presenter, click open. Once you click open, you will see all these. All these, they are presenters. You can choose any presenter you want. You can click see more to see more presenters. They are all presenters, talking avatars. So now, another thing that you can do is to come to these three dots. Click these three dots. When you click these three dots, you'll be able to see the details of this app in case you want to check more details. In case you also want to remove this app from your Canva, you'll be able to remove this app from your Canva. Now, I can choose any of these that I want to present for me. And I can choose the background I want them to have. I can choose any background you want the speakers to have. So all depends on you. Any of the person you choose, you will choose the background. You can also enter your text, the text you want them to see, or you can upload an audio. See that you upload an audio or you write your tests for them to see. Then here are different language you can choose from, different versions of English language you can choose from. So another angle is that you can choose a voice. All those presenters, you can preview their speech here. Preview their speech.
Welcome, friend.
Can you hear that? So if you don't like Elizabeth's voice, you can choose another person. You can choose Jackson. Then you can choose his style. Is it angry style? Is it shouting style? Is it sad? Is it hopeful? Is it friendly? Is it excited? Is it whispering style? You can choose any style. So let me choose angry and let's preview it.
Welcome, friend.
Can you see that the tone is higher? So you can choose any of these to speak for you and all that. Here they say generate presenter. Credits are estimated. Actual credits, you say, depend on the choosing language. So now you need to sign up. You need to sign up to use this. Let me sign up. Choose whether you want to sign up with your email or you want to sign up with Google account like Gmail or your LinkedIn account. So you can sign up with any of these. You can also use any of your emails. Now, once you sign up, you will have 20 credits. So whenever you sign up to a new DID account, you will have 20 credits like this. So your 20 credits, you can use it for your 20 credits, you can use it for any of these things that we're explaining. And you can also choose a presenter, like you can upload yourself. Once you sign up, you can upload your name or your picture. So let me use this. I'm just uploading a picture now to use. Now this is the picture I just uploaded. You can choose this to speak for you. Now choose this picture. You can choose your picture, but ensure it has especially a white background or a plain background or a transparent background. So once you choose your picture, then enter your text. If you don't have an audio, you enter your text. So let me just enter this 61 words. Now, let's assume I'm okay with all this language style and all that. And the tone of the voice. Let me say I want it to be excited. Now, the next thing for me to do is to generate presenter. That's the next thing for me to do. Once you are done with all these settings, the next thing for you to do is to click generate presenter.
Welcome, friend.
Can you
This is
see?
Udemy class. I hope you are learning.
Can you see? Here you have it.
Welcome, friend. This is Udemy class. I hope you are learning.
So that is our talking avatar. You can make it to be bigger than the way they give us. So try to. Now let me play it again for you to listen. Let me play it from the beginning.
Welcome, friend. This is Udemy class. I hope you are learning.
Concerning this watermark, can you see this watermark here? You can also use your brand logo or your own style to take away or to remove this watermark. So let's say I want to remove this watermark. You can use this to remove this. You can use this just by adding this. You can use it to remove the watermark. Then you reduce the size. You reduce the size. So just by doing this, you've already removed the watermark and you've already added your bold subscribe or follow or whatever button there. So now you have your talking avatar with your own image.
Welcome, friend. This is Udemy class. I hope you are learning.
I hope you have learned from this video and try to implement yourself. The next thing is for you to download this. So that's the next thing. Just download, go to download and download it and download as MP4. And there you have it. You can also add any elements you like to this. You can add any elements. You can add text. You can add whatever. So we just explained how you can create your talking avatar from canva.com. Thank you for watching.